Hey guys, this is Alan from Telefuel, and you're watching Tools of the Trade. Tools of the Trade is a series where I share with you the tools and apps that you can use to work on your phone, your computer, and online more effectively. You can learn more and see more tools at telefuel.com/tools. In this episode, what I want to share with you is what a class of tools called text expanders. The one that I use in particular is called Typinator, and this is a really simple tool, so this will be a quick video, but it's as simple as it sounds, a text expander. So if you can think of anything that you type frequently over and over again, like your email address or a website or your Zoom URL link, and you don't necessarily want to go back and copy it all the time and paste, find it all the time in your history, you can use a text expander like Typinator to save a short keystroke that will expand it for you. So I'll start by giving you just a quick example. I have a Zoom link. Zoom is the video conferencing app. I'll do another video on that. That'll be a good video for later. And everybody has a Zoom invite link to join. I have a Zoom invite link to join my conference call. And instead of having to go back and grab that link all the time, I've saved the link in Typinator, and every time I hit TFZ, it expands into my Zoom link. Another example is I have a link to a product overview deck for my company, or my company overview deck, an investment deck. And instead of going to find it all the time, I can save it under a text expanding link called TFDE. And boom, the link to my presentation for my company is automatically shared. And the last example is something I do for email sales. So I have to send a lot of similar emails to people that reach out to my company, and a lot of the emails are going to be a form email. And what I can do for this kind of template response is I've saved the response under TF Teams. Boom. And just like that, I have the text expander replaces my keystrokes with this template email. And so it's extremely easy to use. This is the interface here. You just set for every expansion that you want, you just set an abbreviation and then what you want it to expand into. Very simple. And that is Typinator. You can go to ergonis.com/product/Typinator, and I'll include this link directly in the notes to the show below. And again, this is a great tool that I use to work more effectively online and on the web. So hope this is helpful for you. And again, you can see more tools at telefuel.com/tools. Thanks for watching.